Absolutely, there are several types of meditation that can be particularly effective for stress relief. Here are a few you might want to consider. 1. Mindfulness meditation. This is probably the most well-known type of meditation. It involves focusing on your breath and bringing your mind's attention to the present without drifting into concerns about the past or future. 2. Loving-kindness meditation, also known as metta meditation. This type involves focusing on developing feelings of compassion and love for yourself and others. It can be a great way to ease stress and foster positive feelings. 3. Progressive relaxation, also known as body scan meditation. This type encourages people to scan their bodies for areas of tension. The goal is to notice tension and to allow it to release. 4. Yoga, Tai Chi, or Qigong. These practices combine rhythmic breathing with a series of postures or flowing movements. The physical aspects can be a good way to get your mind off of stress and onto your body. 5. Transcendental meditation. This is a form of meditation where you silently repeat a word or phrase, a mantra, in a specific way. This is done to settle your mind and body into a state of profound rest and relaxation. Remember, the best type of meditation is the one that you feel comfortable with and are willing to practice regularly. It's all about finding what works best for you. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Have you tried any form of meditation before?